Sometimes it feels like YouTube doesn't even see small creators. Like you pour your heart into a video, spend hours editing, trying to make something people will enjoy. And then YouTube's like, cool. Anyway, here's a big creator you didn't ask for. You watch other channels blow up overnight, getting thousands of views in minutes, while your video sits there, with 3 views. And 2 of them are probably just you checking if it uploaded right. You try new ideas, fun edits, cool effects. You put everything you've got into it, and it still feels like you're shouting into a giant empty room. Hoping someone will hear you? Sometimes it hurts. Not because you want to be famous, but because you just want your hard work to matter. You want someone to say, hey, this is good. You want the algorithm to give you just one chance. But even when it feels like nobody sees you, you keep going. Because small creators have the biggest hearts, the biggest effort, and the biggest dreams. And one day, one video, one moment can change everything. Until then, keep trying. Keep believing, keep creating, even when the world feels quiet. Savage.